Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video you're going to learn 10 phrasal verbs related to clothes. If you do find this useful, please hit like, and if you'd like to see more videos, why not subscribe to the channel? Let's get started. Do up. Fasten something or be fastened. Do up your jacket or you'll be cold. This dress does up at the back. And we can see this man is doing up his shirt cuff. And this lady is doing up her shoes. So we use this with lots of items of clothing. Do up your trousers, do up your jacket, do up your shoes, do up your bag. Zip up. This is very similar to do up. Fasten something with a zip or be fastened with a zip. So it's like do up, but specifically with a zip. I didn't zip up my backpack and my phone fell out. That skirt zips up at the side. And this lady is zipping up her top. And this man is zipping up his wetsuit. Hang out. Now you might already know this phrasal verb in another context as hang out with your friends, spend time with your friends. But related to clothes, it means to hang wet clothes outside to dry. It's a beautiful day. Let's hang out the clothes. I hung the clothes out this morning, so they should be dry by now. We can see this lady is hanging out her washing, and this man is hanging out his washing. Hang up. Hang a piece of clothing on something. Hang your coat up by the door. Don't leave your clothes on the chair. Hang them up in the cupboard. And we can see a shower cap hanging up and lots of clothes hanging up in the wardrobe. Wardrobe is British English. If you're American, then you would say closet. Hanging up in the closet. Put on. Start wearing something. Put on your shoes before you leave the house. If you're cold, put on a jumper. And we can see this man is putting on his shoes. And this kid is putting on his mask. Something we all do nowadays. Take off. So this is the opposite of put on. Remove an item of clothing. Take off your shoes when you come into the house. If you're too hot, take off your jacket. And we can see this man is taking off his suit jacket, and this man is taking off his shoes. Try on. Put on a piece of clothing to see how it looks and if it fits. I prefer going to shops to shopping online because I like to try on the clothes. You can try those trousers on in the fitting room. And we can see this lady is trying on a pair of shoes, and it looks like she's going to try on a few more pairs of shoes. And this man is in a suit shop, and it looks like he's trying on the suit jacket. Maybe he's trying on the tie as well. Take up. Make a piece of clothing shorter. This skirt is too long. I'll have to take it up. I always have my trousers taken up. And we can see this lady is having her dress taken up. And these jeans have been taken up or made shorter. Have on. This means to be wearing a piece of clothing. I can't see if I don't have my glasses on. So it's like saying, I can't see if I'm not wearing my glasses. The man in the photo has a blue hat on. So that's the same as saying the man in the photo is wearing a blue hat. This lady has on a white suit and a blue shirt. Or you can say, she has a white suit and a blue shirt on. And this man has on a grey t-shirt, a blue shirt and black trousers. Or you can say he has a grey t-shirt, blue shirt and black trousers on. Dress up. Wear clothes that are more formal than usual. Let's dress up and go out for dinner. I love dressing up for weddings. And we can see these four ladies have all dressed up. It looks like they're at a wedding. They're all wearing hats. And this man is dressing up. Maybe he has an important event at work, or maybe he's going on a date. To learn more phrasal verbs, then why not head over to my channel and check out my other videos. There are lots of videos on phrasal verbs as well as vocabulary, expressions, grammar, and also exam practice. And if you do like the content, please hit like, and why not subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.